Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to see a problem from linear algebra which was asked for CSIR NET December 2019 examination. So this is a question from part B. So you can see the question is like for t belongs to R, we are asked to define a matrix MM such that we asked which of the following options are true. So this is basically a question regarding the determinant of this matrix. So let us just find the determinant of the matrix first, so that we can argue these statements. So if you see the matrix, the determinant basically is what? It is 1 times 1 minus t square minus t times 1 minus 0, right? Plus 0 times something, so that is we don't bring it that. So what we get here is basically 1 minus t square minus t. So this is the determinant what we get. So you can see what we got is actually a polynomial in degree 2. So it's a polynomial in degree 2. You can see t square minus t plus 1. So we can say this option, the first option is basically not true because we got a second degree polynomial. Now going to the next option, it says that the determinant of m of t is equal to 0 for all real numbers. If you take any t in R, they say that the determinant of m of t is equal to 0. So but you can see that if I give, suppose say t is equal to some say 1 itself, you can see what you get as 1 minus 1 square minus 1, right? That is nothing but 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So this is not equal to 0. So that clearly says that option 2 is also false, because for every real number, in fact for simply for 1 itself it's not working. So this is a wrong statement. So now if you go on to the third option, fourth option, they say that determinant of m of t is equal to 0 for infinitely many t, and fourth says that determinant of m of t is equal to exactly 2. See, we have that determinant of t is basically this polynomial, and when we say determinant of t is equal to 0, determinant of m of t is equal to 0, we are in fact finding nothing but the roots of this polynomial, right? We are finding all t for which this is equal to 0, like this is nothing but the determinant of m of t, right? So that means we are just solve this quadratic equation, and that will help us to say regarding these two statements. So you know that it is actually an second order algebraic equation, and in which basically we get only you know that we have exactly like at most 2 real roots for a quadratic equation like this. And if you solve this particular quadratic equation, we'll see what you get. T square plus t minus 1 equal to 0. So the roots are basically, you know, if you have a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c, the roots are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what you get is basically minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is 1 square minus 4 into a into c, that is 1 into minus 1. That is what you get, divided by 2. So you can see you get basically 2 real roots here. So that means that this option 3 is false, and we get exactly for 2 real numbers we get the determinant of m of t equal to 0. That means we get exactly 2 roots for this particular equation. So the correct option for this problem is this fourth option. And thank you for seeing this video, and I would request you to subscribe my channel for getting more videos of this kind. See you in the next video. Thank you.